Welcome to this Hybrid Pro tutorial. In this video, we'll explore one of the most powerful and advanced features in Hybrid Pro, accelerators. What is the accelerators feature? The accelerators feature is designed to optimize your automation processes by assigning scraper accounts to handle data collection. This allows your main account to focus solely on performing actions, ensuring maximum efficiency while keeping your primary account safe. How does it work? By enabling Connect accelerators, we assign scraper accounts to gather data. These scrapers fetch user details, extract engagement data, and filter interactions before your main account takes action. This minimizes risk on your main account and reduces API limitations, allowing a more natural automation flow. Key features and settings Connect accelerators, optional. This is an advanced feature meant for users who want to enhance their automation speed and efficiency. By default, Hybrid Pro requires at least 2 accelerators connected to a process. If fewer than 2 accelerators are available, the process will stop automatically to prevent issues. Auto Scraper Assignment Algorithm. If you enable this option, Hybrid Pro will automatically select free scraper accounts and assign them to the process. This ensures that whenever a process starts, it has the required minimum of 2 scrapers to function smoothly. Accelerator Management Buttons. Copy accelerators. Copy assigned scrapers to another task. Insert accelerators. Insert scrapers which you copied. Clear accelerators. Remove all assigned scrapers from the process. Search accounts. You can search for and assign specific scraper accounts to assign. Why should you use accelerators? Reduces workload on your main account, protects your primary account from detection and bans, improves efficiency and speeds up automation processes, ensures smooth, uninterrupted automation by maintaining a pool of scrapers. Pro tip: to get the best results, always use at least 10 scraper accounts per process and rotate them regularly for maximum safety. Final thoughts. The Accelerators feature is a game changer for Hybrid Pro users who want fast, secure, and scalable automation. If you're serious about Instagram automation, this is an essential feature to implement. Watch more Hybrid Pro tutorials to level up your automation skills. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more Hybrid Pro tutorials. Enable notifications so you never miss an update.